Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Nifty in 5 minutes chart. See this is a CPR. So it has formed a narrow CPR. Whenever there is a narrow CPR, the market has to be in trending mode. So this was our resistance level. It has opened huge gap up beyond our resistance. That resistance turned support now. And in first candle only it has showed that the market has to be positive only. The super bullish candle it has formed, and next candle it has confirmed. So higher highs and lower lows we have seen, and the market was sustained, and we have seen some consolidation on a higher levels, and there was some selling at 2 o'clock. We have seen some sell off, and again the market has closed with a good cash buying. Market Nifty closed with 114 points, whereas Bank Nifty, see first I will explain this. This is a average CPR. When there is a average CPR, market has to be sideways or in a range bound. See average CPR. Wide CPR means it is still a wide spread range. It has to be in range bound only. So see what happened in Bank Nifty in 5 minutes, opened a good gap up, but Bank Nifty was underperforming today. This was our resistance and this was our key levels. 44,116 is the key levels. Multiple times it tried to break. It was not broken. At the end, it has closed with 135 points positive, but still it closed near to that key resistance level. Now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what's the big player plan for this expiry. We'll follow by FII in options. Input they were holding 3.29 lakhs of put buying. Today they have unwinded 36,000 contracts, so they have 2.92 lakhs of put buying contract. And in call they were holding 2.79 lakhs of call buying. Now they have added 24,000 contracts, so they have 3 lakhs of call buying. Still, we will consider this as neutral hedging positions in options. In future index, 51% long, 49% short. They have increased or long, reduced the short by 2%. Stock future percentage, 55% long, 45% short. And in cash flow, they have purchased for 1,677 crores. So super bullishness they are showing in cash market, but in F&O they are hedged their positions. Client are the retailers. Input they were holding 3.87 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have unwinded 1.27 lakhs of put writing, still holding 2.60 lakhs of put writing. And in call they were holding 46,000 of call writing contract. So they have added 3.38 lakhs of call writing contract. So they have 3.85 lakhs of call writing now. Slight negative, they have made a positions in options. Call writing is more than put writing. Future index 51% long, 49% short. Stock future percentage 82% long, 18% short. Cash flow they have sold for 317 crores. See, client don't have any view. Promoters input they were holding 33,000 of put writing contract. Today they have increased 91,000 contracts, so they have 1.24 lakhs of put writing. And in call they were holding 2.32 lakhs of call writing contract. They have unwinded this and made a fresh call buying of 81,000 contract. So now they have made a bullish positions in options. In future index, they have booked the profit on long side. So they have unwinded longs, increased the short by 8%, 37% long they have, and 63% short. So they have made a negative position in futures, positive in options, and they have purchased in cash market for 335 crores. So they have hedged their positions going long in cash market. DI have sold for 203 crores, so the total net cash flow was 1,491 crores positive value. Put call ratio Nifty for this week is at 1 and Bank Nifty is at 0.81. So see Nifty become positive, Bank Nifty still underperforming Nifty. So a good buying can be seen in Nifty as per the PCR, and Bank Nifty has to show the strength now. For the month end, Nifty is at 1.24 and Bank Nifty is at 1.06. Still, Nifty Bank Nifty super bullish for the month end. So now let's check the change in OI Nifty, what the trader are carry forwarding for this week expiry. We have seen huge call writing unwinding at 18,600, 18,650 and 18,700, and huge put writing addition at 18,650, 18,700, and also slight good number only we can call good number only they have added put writing at 18,750 and 18,800. So major resistance and support comes around 18,700 only. Bank Nifty what traders carry forwarding huge call writing unwinding we have seen at 44,000, and good number of put writing addition at 44,100. So this 44,000 is acting as a support now, and the resistance could be 44,200. Now let's check the price action. Nasdaq in 1 day time frame. See, they opened good gap up. They're trading positive only by 68 points, whereas Dow in longer time frame, they're also trading positive by 118 points. SGX trading positive by 39 points, and India VIX scratch 1.2%. They are at 11, very much comfortable. So see Nifty in longer time frame in 1 day candlestick pattern. So yesterday it formed doji, and today it has given a very good bullish candle. Yesterday I thought today there will be a very good green candle closing, but I have not shared because the data was negative, but price action was stating this. So now still see, if this format has formed at a lower level, then this pattern would called as morning star pattern. But now it has formed on top level. Still this pattern could be a positive formation. As per the price action, it is positive. So whereas Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, see it is still consolidating only, and still it has given a green candle closing, but it is not confirming anything. It still has to consolidate few days in this range only. So please mark the algo points. Nifty support comes around 18,655. First resistance comes around 18,752. Bank Nifty first support comes around 43,934. First resistance comes around 44,182. So see, as per the open interest analysis, the data is positive, PCR is positive, cash flow is positive, and we can think of buying only in every dip now, keeping a set stop loss. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.